Mabuhay! First, we'll talk about environmental stewardship in tourism. Tourism may sometimes harm natural resources, but by using sustainable practices, we can help reduce these negative effects. These practices include lowering carbon footprint, managing waste properly, and conserving water. First is lowering carbon footprints. By using eco-friendly ways to travel, like biking, walking, or taking buses, helps cut down pollution from cars and planes. Next is managing waste properly. By recycling, reducing trash, and disposing of waste correctly, helps keep the environment clean and prevent pollution. And third, conserving water. Being careful with water use, like taking shorter showers or using water-saving devices, helps protect water sources. Doing these actions helps maintain a healthy ecosystem, protects animals and plants, and makes sure that places stay beautiful and safe for visitors in the future. Promoting responsible tourism also benefits local communities by supporting their economy without harming the environment.
Cultural sensitivity in tourism. It involves being aware of and respecting cultural values, traditions, and other practices to the communities you visit. It's about minimizing negative impacts and maximizing positive contributions to the local cultures and economies. By understanding and respecting cultural values, tourism sectors can create more authentic, sustainable, and positive experience for both. Includes some of number 1, respect for local customs, acknowledging and honoring the traditions, beliefs, and daily lives of the local populations. Number 2, sustainable practices, engaging in tourism that supports environmental and cultural preservation. Number 3, economic contribution, supporting local businesses and economies through responsible spending.
Sustainable tourism help local economies by keeping money in the community. Tourist spots support local-owned business like shops, restaurants, and hotels, which gives income directly to local families. It also creates fair job opportunities, allowing residents to earn with a living good pay and conditions. This leads to community growth and development, improving services like schools and healthcare. By choosing sustainable options, visitors not only enjoy their trip but also make a positive difference to the people who live there. In the long run, this kind of tourism helps build stronger and more reliant communities.
Behavioral changes in sustainable tourism include adopting practices like reduced resource consumption, making eco-friendly choices, supporting local economies, and minimizing waste, which are driven by awareness of environmental responsibility and perceived ease of adoption. Common behavioral changes. First, we have resource conservation. Tourists actively reduce their consumption of water, energy, and other resources by limiting shower times, avoiding unnecessary hotel room cleaning, and not wasting food. Next, we have conscious consumption. Tourists opt for local products, eco-certified products, and environmentally responsible services in order to support the local economy and to reduce environmental harm. Lastly, we have eco-friendly choices. Selecting eco-friendly accommodations and engaging in green tourism activities are common manifestations of behavioral changes in tourists. Changes occur. First, we have awareness and information. Tourists who are well informed about the importance of sustainable tourism and who are aware of the impacts of their actions to the environment are more likely to change their behavior. Next one, we have environmental responsibility. A strong sense of personal responsibility for the environment significantly influences the adoption of sustainable practices.
Sustainable tourism cannot be achieved by a single group or alone. It requires cooperation among governments, businesses, and local governments, and of course tourists. Each of these stakeholders plays a unique role. For example, government creates policies and regulations, businesses provide services and investments, local communities preserve culture and traditions, while tourists practice responsible behavior.
Through collaboration, we can develop solutions that last longer are more effective. This means balancing economic growth, like job creation and income for communities with environmental protection and social responsibility. If one sector is left out, sustainability becomes incomplete, so the goal is to make sure everyone benefits.
In short, collaborative solutions ensure that tourism is not only profitable, but also ethical and sustainable. It is only about working together, sharing responsibility, and making decisions that consider the environment, the people, and the economy at the same time.